In this video, we're going to work with implementation of navigation and routing. To understand and implement navigation and routing mechanisms in a Flutter application by enabling users to move between multiple screens and pass data between them using name nodes. So, the technical skill set includes navigation, routing, route, navigator, and project structure along with the program. So in this, the main function which we do is passing data between the moving screens and receiving and displaying the data. So this is a experiment, and the folders which we use here is .tool, .idea, Android, which are inbuilt, which we get in Flutter SDK. Build, iOS, and lib. Lib has a main file called main.dat where we define kind of website which we are going to do. So I've imported flutter material.dat, and so this run app is used to run the widget which I have. So these are classes and objects which I define to get the register names and their marks. So widget build. In this function I'm going to build a widget. So this is class home screen state. So these are all the basic things which we define in the classes, which are gonna be called in this function called run app. And so we use dispose to display the value. So valid text to check if the given text is valid or not. So we use valid mark to define if it's an integer or a string. If it's a string, it will define as an error. So we use submit function to submit all these functions. So yeah, so this is a function. This is subchild of widget where we use this child function to form a column, row, and text fields. So text form field which we use in the previous experiment is also used here. So I'm going to run this project using flutter run. So I'll use Chrome. So this is the student input form. So this is the student name where I have to give the name in the string, not in the integer. So if I give an integer, it defines error. So yeah, after using the calculating, total marks of 150 and the average is 50 with percentage of 50. This is the manual input which I gave in this experiment. So this is the final output. Thank you.